Thursday afternoon walk. There's Bailey and Olive. And pretty chill. Periodically, Olive gets Bailey to play with her for about 5 seconds at a time. Oh, everybody loves this stump. It has a water bucket. Rosie, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. And Sniper. Hi, Sniper. Oh, sitting pretty. Oh, very nice. Good boy. These two are still trying to figure out how to get the ice out of the tree. And Rufus. Hi, Rufus. Rufus, sit. Oh, good boy. Little bit of a treat. Okay, boys and ladies, let's go. Right, Olive? Olive? Olive, come. Olive. Good girl, sweetheart. Sit. Oh, what a good girl. Okay, let's go.